Hello, hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can appeal a contested divorce decision in India. So, if you have applied for a divorce, it is very important. And if you the decision is not in favor of you, if you want to apply for it, if you want to basically overturn the judgment that has been given, there are a lot of systems that you can take. You can take those decisions on. We will give you a guidance how you can appeal against a divorce decision which has been given. So first of all, welcome to this channel, and if you're new to this channel, I would encourage you to subscribe to our channel, and please visit our website lawnano.com. A lot of articles we have created for you, so you can learn more about it and also have a better understanding how the family law works and how you can go through. You can simplify the divorce process, because it is very important that you should know about it. Else, a lot of people, because they do not have any knowledge about it, they are not aware of the different facts and the clauses, they suffer. So we do not want you to suffer. So a lot of articles has been given on our website. So now what we are going to do is we are going to discuss. So I'm just going to give you an overview. It is already there, the article is there on our website, you can go and check it out. And you can also see the article in different languages. You can translate that. So first of all, when you're appealing for a contested divorce, there are two types of divorce. One is uncontested, which is mutual divorce, and mutually consent divorce, and another one is contested divorce. So in this situation, if you are looking, contested divorce happens when one party, there are two parties, husband wife, and if one party is not willing to go for the divorce, and there might be some different financial issues which needs to be taken care of, where they are not able to come to a common point, then the case goes to family court. So in this situation, what are the reason that you can go for a contested divorce? There are multiple reasons. We need to understand the reason first. First is adultery. Adultery is primarily having extramarital affair. So you have to understand, if your husband or wife is talking to someone, flirting with someone, that is not adultery. There has to be sexual intercourse. Without intercourse, it is not adultery. Please keep in mind. And it is, right now in India, it is not criminal. It's not a crime. And next thing is cruelty. If there is physical harassment, if there is mental harassment, you can definitely use this basis to file for a divorce. Next is desertion. If the husband or wife has been missing from past 6 months, 9 months, then you can apply for divorce, and on this basis you can get divorce. Next is conversion. If one of the spouse, it can be husband or wife, has converted from one religion to another religion. For example, if the husband was Hindu when he was married, and he has converted to, for example, Christianity or any other religion, so in that situation you can definitely go for a divorce. Next thing is mental illness. And if the person is suffering through mental illness, it has to be proven by a certified doctor. So then you can use this to get divorce, and the percentage, everything is given here. If there is incurable disease, definitely you can look for that. So what is the process of filing an appeal against a contested divorce? So for example, if there is a judgment, because there is magistrate court, there is high court, state level court. State level court is high court, then supreme court. There are different levels of courts. So if one judgment has been given by, for example, magistrate court, then you can appeal that judgment in high court, or the uppermost court there. So in this situation, you can definitely appeal for it. And a lot of requests has been reviewed or reversed, if you are able to present your point of view or your case properly. So it is very important to know that why you are applying for it. There has to be basis. Without any basis, your case will not be even accepted. So there can be multiple reasons that you are looking to appeal for, appeal against the decisions that has been given. It can be based on alimony, child support. So in this, again, I have said about it, you need to have valid ground. Without any valid ground, or maybe there has been an error in the lower court's decision, then you can apply. If there is no error, there is no valid ground, then it will be a waste of time, and also the case might not be even accepted, right? So it is very important. But you have to understand that the law and order process, the legal process is quite slow, and it might take even years to have your appeal even accepted, and it might take a lot of time to get the decision reversed. So you have to be mentally prepared, and also you have to be financially prepared as well. So it is very important that you should look for a legal counsel, or a lawyer who is well qualified, has experience in this, has domain expertise. So you can, first of all, before even filing, it is very important to go and consult with a lawyer or a counsel. Show that person you can share your details with the person, and the person can go through. You might have to pay them for a couple of sessions, which is perfectly fine, because rather than spending years and a lot of money, it's better to have a clear understanding and a clear report and a review from a lawyer or a counsel. So, what are the factors which might influence a divorce appeal? So, again, the grounds of divorce, there has to be, there you have to have valid ground, you have to have evidence. Without any evidence, it is very difficult. You need to have legal representation. You might not be aware of all the nooks and crannies of law in this country or constitution. So, a legal counsel or a lawyer can help you out in this. Again, a judge's decision. So if the original divorce decision has, if you don't agree with it, you can give reason, and your lawyer will be able to help you out with that. So what are the common mistakes that you need to avoid? First thing is, obviously, you have to have a competent lawyer. If a competent lawyer is not there, he or she will not be able to figure out, and he or she will not be able to defend you properly. Again, if you do not have any evidence, it is very difficult to win, and to apply, to basically have an application against the appeal or the judgment. And again, you have to make sure that you are financially prepared and mentally prepared, because it will take a lot of time and it will put a lot of stress on you financially and also emotionally. So you have to be very, very aware of it. Again, if you're not prepared for court appearances, there might be court appearances, you have to be present there. You cannot have different liabilities or appointments. You have to be present in the court. If you miss it out, then there might be legal consequences as well. It might affect the judgment as well. And also, you have to negotiate with your partner in a good faith. So these are the important things that you have to keep in mind. And again, if you want to have a simple process or an alternative process, mediation is a very good process that you can look for. You can get into this, which is much cheaper, much affordable, is less stressful. You can go for that. You can go for arbitration, review petition, and curative petition. All the details are there on our website. You can go through it. It will be able to, it will definitely help you out with that. So anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. A lot of details are covered here, but again, if you want to know more about it, you can go to our website. And thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.